Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From wherever you're watching this video, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Judobi Ngozika. I do videos on accounting in a very simplified manner. So if it's something you think you're interested in, this is the channel to be in. If you know someone that maybe has a business and wants some kind of guide on how he or she should ensure that the recording in his business is done properly, this is the place to be. All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I'll be talking about sales daybook, and I'll be describing what the sales daybook is. Now, sales daybook, just like the name suggests, sales daybook. A sales daybook is a book, all right, a kind of a book where you record goods or services sold to a customer on credit. Are we together? I hope we got that. A sales day book is a book where you record goods or services sold to a customer on credit. Alright? That's what a sales day book is. Now, it's a book, not necessarily like a textbook or in a book, but it's just where you record it. And that is how record it, we call it a book. So that is why I'm trying to just explain what a book is in the sense. A book is like where you're going to do the record, and there's a particular format that you follow when recording these sales transactions that have been done on credit. Now let me describe what your sales day book looks like. I'm going to also put a pictorial image of what it looks like. Now, because your sales day book is recording the sales you have done, sales you have made on credit to your customer, is going to contain particular going to contain specific information. First of all, you want to know the dates the transactions was sold on credit. Okay, you want to know what item did I sell, how many, okay, to who bought it, what is the name of the customer. You want to have that details. You also want to have your invoice number. Now, invoice number is like a reference number. I will explain what an invoice number is in a bit. An invoice number, normally, when a customer comes to buy something from you and the customer has agreed to pay, I love this product, okay. Now, you, the seller, you're going to give that customer a document which is called an invoice. That invoice is going to have the amount of money that the items cost, the quantity, in fact, the description of the goods that you're selling. So now that book or that invoice which you're going to give that customer has a number on it. Okay, an invoice, the invoice has a number. It could be number one, number two, number three, number four, but there's a number, and that number is to help you track who you made sales to. Are we together? So that invoice has a number on it, and that is the invoice number here that I'm making references. So an invoice number, you get it like from an invoice booklet. You can also call it like a receipt booklet per se. It's a source document. Okay, I'll explain what source document is in a bit. If you've not watched it, please check my video. You will see what a source document is. So that is what an invoice number is, like a reference number which would guide you to know, okay, I gave this customer a receipt slash invoice stating what and what he or she wanted to buy and the amount. Now the last column is the amount. That's the last thing into the amount of what that is the price or the product that you're selling to your customer. Are we together? So that is what your sales day book is. Hope you've learned something. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share to your friends and others that you know are trying to keep record of their transactions or have problems recording their transaction. This will really help them and guide them. See you in my next video. Bye.